The power of one. That's what you get when you partner with Lee Contracting. We've delivered excellence in every aspect of our work since 1989. With over 30 years of experience and 13 in-house trades, our project-proven industrial contracting expertise offers a single-source, self-performed solution for the most demanding projects. The best people and the best equipment. Each member of our team walks the walk every day they're on the job. From our engineers, project managers, and highly skilled field crew. At Lee Contracting, everyone is dedicated to safety every step of the way. Over 500 employee owners sharing the same core values, pride, and commitment that comes from ownership. Lee Industrial Contracting. Employee owned, customer driven.